those talks saying that patayin ng 15 na senador is hindi po dapat sinasabi yun, hindi po dapat tama yun. Wala pong dapat na lugar yon sa ating society.
Marami kasi sila. Ano dapat ang gawin natin? Hindi, patayin natin yung mga senador ngayon para mabakante. Kung makapatay tayo ng mga 15 na senador, pasok na tayo lahat.
Good morning po, sir. Si NBI Director Jaime Santiago po, ako nga yung nagsalita po siya few minutes ago lang habang nagko-comment po ulit kayo regarding your statement doon po doon sa political rally, yung speech po ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. And sinabi po niya rito, quote, mawalang galang kay Congressman Adyong, nag-instigate sila na mag-imbestiga, hindi naman sila yung tinatakot, yung mga senador. So dapat daw po yung mga senador ang magreklamo kung alam nila sila yung tinatakot o pinapatay. Also, dinifferentiate po niya yung kay VP Sara, yung pagkaka-deliver daw po ni VP Sara, magkaiba raw po yun. Ang sabi po ni NBI Director Jaime Santiago, sa political rally, talagang nagjo-joke lang siya. Part ng rhetorics ng political speech. Your comment. And also, Comrade, if you wanna.
Well, again, it's... well, I respect the position of NBI Director if that's how he sees it. Pero, yun nga yung point is, do we allow this kind of rhetorics in the first place? Do we actually normalize this kind of talks? Especially if it's uttered in a very important event like a proclamation rally that would speak about. I don't know how the NBI director sees it, but we are not instigating. We are merely trying to convey a message where if there's a policy that any threats, no matter how you say it, utter it, whether it's a joke or not, you are not allowed to say things about killing other people. No, we are actually trying to convey a message where, in the case of the former president, where he somehow has the license and permit to say anything he says, he can tell you, "I will kill you." He can tell you, "I will kill him," and then get away with it. I mean, it's time really to draw the line. When do we allow these things, these kind of talks, to to go unscathed and without even a sense of impunity? I beg to disagree, and I don't want to again. I respect the position of the NBI director, but then again, this is something that should be taken seriously for an NBI director, for someone who is in charge of really of making sure that such talks and such rhetorics don't go overboard as to causing harms and direct as probably causing other people to really act on a certain on the statements made by this influential person, is something that should be not taken lightly. No, it's so unfortunate to hear that from the NBI director. Again, hindi naman dapat kami ang actual na ma-threat para kami manawagan na hindi dapat ito mangyari. It should not be taken that way na dapat ikaw mismo ma-feel na ma-threaten para magsalita kung ano dapat ang tama. Ang mali talaga. Maski kanino yung sinabi, maski sinabi sa kung hindi man ikaw direct na threat or ano, basta sinabi ay mali, hindi tama. I think according to ethical standards, it should be out of bounds. I mean, it doesn't take one to be threatened physically, like me, directly, to say that things are not right to say out in public. So, those talks saying that patayin ng 15 na senador is hindi po dapat sinasabi yun, hindi po dapat tama yun. Wala pong dapat na lugar yon sa ating society at sa ating lipunan.
In addition lang po, no, I think it was already said mostly by Kong Adyong, but I would tend to agree. Personally, for one, I don't think it matters kung sino yung... I don't think Kong Adyong was supplanting himself as a complainant. I don't think he's filing a case. So I don't think the question of who is complaining to the NBI should be a question here. Nag-statement lang si Kong Adyong of what he believes should be done. And I think it shouldn't be dismissed so early. I think personally we respect, of course, the good NBI director. Pero this is coming from someone who has admitted to previously killing before. So it's not in the same way na ako na wala pa akong pinapatay tapos magbiro po ako. I don't think it's the same way, especially because it's tainted by political drive. Now, it could be political rhetoric. He could be right. But I think he should at least entertain the idea. Hindi po yung dinidismiss right away. Preliminary investigation, if they see wala naman talagang kinontratang magpatay sa 50 na senador, diba? At the very least, abundant caution, I think. But we respect the NBI director if that's how he sees his job. If namimili po siguro kung alin ang iimbestigahan at hindi. But I just side by Kong Adyong na his statement that it should be taken seriously. Yun lang po.